Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am as sick as a dog right now, so please don't judge my appearance, my hair, my face. Everything is just a mess, and I don't really feel like even doing this video today, but sorry. I already skipped a day this month, so here we are. Since I didn't actually prepare for this video at all, I've decided that I'm just going to do a pretty little spotlight with like a dark pink and silver. Thought it would look pretty. So yeah, let's jump right into it. I have already primed my eyelids with the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow primer. So I'm going to jump right in with the color. Using my Connie Transform palette and the shade Easter, which is this pretty pink here. With a fluffy brush, I'm just going to dip right in here and add this color right in the inner and outer corners of my eyes. You guys, my head is not functioning properly right now. I forgot to start with a transition shade. So with a bigger fluffy brush, like such, I will use this color. This brown here called Christy. I'm using that as the transition shade above my crease. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to jump right back in with the pink on the inner and outer corners of my eyes. Alright, as you can see, I have, unfortunately, accidentally, dipped below my lower lash line here with my eyeshadow, so it makes my eyes look really droopy, but you know, that happens and it's no big deal. This is why I do eyeshadow before I do my face, so that I can just clean it up and make it nice. So next up, using the Essence Camouflage Plus Matte Concealer with a flat brush, I am just going to make similar to a cut crease, but just right in the middle of my eye, and in kind of like a small triangle to kind of make a spotlight on my eye. Okay, as you can see, this is super uneven. I don't even know what to say about it, but I'm gonna try and sort it out, okay? Okay, so next up, I'm using my Crown 35 color Shimmer palette with with this silver shade right here. And I'm going to add that with a flat brush right on top of this cut crease I just made. And now with the same brush that I did the pink with, I'm just going to try and blend this out a bit. This is terrible. This is absolutely terrible looking. I'm not adding any more color onto the brush. I'm just using what was left and just trying to blend this color a little bit. Wow, that was actually a whole lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. If you know how to blend, makeup is your friend. Alright, I'm just gonna clean up these outer corners of mine with a makeup cloth, makeup towel, whatever you wanna call it. I don't like using wipes because they're so bad for the environment. So these you just pop in the washing machine and good to go again. I don't know why I have all these faces when I do this, but bear with me. Alright, see. Well, that makes a huge difference. My eyes don't look so droopy anymore, and it's actually perfect. Okay, so I think I'll add some glitter on top of the silver just to make it pop. I'm going to use the Fiora glitter eyeliner. Okay, I'm just going to do my face, sorry, I'm gonna do my face off camera quickly, so I'll be right back. Okay, now that my skin looks all pretty, I'm going to put the color on my lower lash line, starting with the pretty silver right in the middle using a small fluffy brush. And then add the pink into the outer and inner corners. And then I'll use the same glitter that I put on the silver on the top of my eyelid on the lower lash line as well. Just to make it sparkle. Okay, so it would appear that my camera just randomly stopped recording. Sorry, I guess. Basically all I've done now is put on some mascara using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect, the waterproof one. I'm not wearing any eyeliner with this look because it'll kind of block out the spotlight halo effect that I did. And also, I'm just gonna get in bed after this. I'm sick. I don't want to do it. So, sorry. Sorry guys. Okay, so lastly, I'll be doing my lips. Gonna line my lips with the Avon Glimmer Stick for Lips in the shade Perfect Plum. So that's a whole lot darker than I thought it was gonna be. Well. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild liquid Catsuit in the shade Berry Recognize E926B. And there you go, that's the finished look. I have to say I'm totally in love with this lippy. That looks good. I hope you guys enjoyed this horrible tutorial with my voice sounding this way and me being too lazy to really do anything proper. But next week will be better, I promise. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And as I said, I'll post every week, every Wednesday. I'll probably skip like a Wednesday every now and then. If I'm busy, I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, have a nice day guys. Bye.